Welcome to Drawlipa channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to clear app data and cache in your Samsung Galaxy S24 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is go to your settings app. From here scroll down and then go to apps. Now from here select the app that you want to clear data and cache. If I select this, from here scroll down a bit and then go to storage. Now here at the bottom you can see clear data and clear cache option. Now just tap here to clear cache and then tap here to clear data. Then tap on delete and it's done. Also if you go back, from here go to app screen. Now from here if I touch and hold Facebook and then tap on this icon, then scroll down and then go to storage, and from here you can also clear app data or cache. And that is how you can clear app data and cache in your Samsung Galaxy S24 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.